Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are having a fantastic day. So I am really excited for today's video. As you can see, this is a collab and it is a color collab. What does that mean, you ask? I'm gonna tell you. So Rena over at Boxes and Deals came up with the idea for this collab and asked if I would like to be a part of it, and I said yes because it sounded very, very fun. So basically there are a total of 9 of us doing this collab, and we each were assigned a person, and that person was able to select a color, and we got to build them a box of goodies with that color. So I chose the color rose gold, and Rena actually is the one that sent me my box. And now I sent my box over to Desi from Desi's Corner, and that was a pink box. So definitely head over and check out her video. All of the channels, like I said, there are 9 of us in total, will be linked down below. But let's get in here and see what Rena sent me. I'm so excited, and I can't wait. So it came in just like a regular USPS box, and when I open it, there's a super cute like rose gold lip card with my name on it. She wrote on the back, and it says, "Nikki, this was so much fun. I hope you enjoy everything. Your rose gold color represents style, elegance, romance, love, and inspiration, among other things. So I hope each of these goodies is a fun way to add a touch of these characteristics to your day because you deserve it. You are amazing and beautiful, and I'm so happy to get to know you and call you a friend. Thanks for being a part of this. Love, Rena." Aw, that was so sweet. Rena, you are just the sweetest. All right, so just got some tissue paper on top. Y'all, oh my goodness. She like individually wrapped each item, and it literally looks like it's got rose gold, like different rose gold paper. She's already off to a great start. I didn't individually wrap each of my items. Sorry, Desi. Wow, and I'm noticing there's words. Okay, we're just gonna get started. So right here, this says style and romance, if you can see that there. So let's see what this is. All right, so the first item is from e.l.f. It is a lip plumping gloss right there. It's like in a sparkly champagne. And then something from Bite Beauty, Crystal Cream Shimmer Lip Crayon in rose glacé. I'm not sure, but she obviously went with the rose gold theme. So let's see, because that was the thing, is all of the items needed to kind of color coordinate, which is fun. All right, so yeah, there's that. And it is literally like a rose gold colored lippy. Oh my goodness. Y'all, Rena, we are already off to such a fantastic start. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what to say. Okay, and then here is something, it says style. It's almost like Christmas all over again. This is so fun. This is from Makeup Revolution London, Flawless Foils. I can't talk. Flawless Foils in Rival. So there is the packaging. And let's see. Even has like a little intensifying primer with it. So here is the packaging, and then here, oh my gosh, and that is totally rose gold. That is stunning. Let's do a swatch. Oh my gosh, that feels like butter. Oh, that is cream. Did that say cream? I don't know if it did or not, but that is absolutely creamy. Oh my goodness. You guys, look at that. That is so beautiful, and definitely rose gold. Rena, you just, girl, we're just a couple products in and you are already, wow. All right, and this says, oh, romance. Oh my gosh. This is from Tatcha, I believe is how you say it. Stella. It's a hand cream. Oh, okay. It does have a safety seal on it, so we'll take that off because guys, smell. Girl, you. Oh my gosh. That smells so good and it's so soft. I love it. I love it. All right. Oh, and then we have something here. This says elegance. Let's see. Kind of like a kid. Nip into it. And all right, this is from Unwind by Hask, champagne inspired hair highlighter finishing cream, free of sulfates, parabens, and artificial colors, infused with champagne extract, packed with antioxidant to enhance shine and soften hair. It says, glow up your hair game with this shimmering finishing cream, lightweight, non-greasy formula, helps soften and hydrate all hair types, leaving behind a dewy champagne radiance. Use on wet or dry hair to tame frizz and finish your style. Oh, I'm excited. Girl. Oh my goodness. All right, and we have another style item. Let's see what this is. Oh, this is from Beauty Concepts. This is an eye brush trio, shadow, crease, and smudge. And the packaging is gorgeous and totally rose gold, and even the handles on the brushes. Oh my gosh. Girl. All right, and then we have, let's see, this says elegance. Rena. Oh my gosh. This is the 111 Skin Rose Gold Radiance Booster. Are you kidding me right now? Girl. Oh, I just cannot even. You 110% outdid yourself. It's even like a little bit of a rose gold champagne-y color. Let's see it right there. Oh my gosh, it feels so good on my skin. Oh my goodness. Girl. And there's still more in here. Okay. What is this big? This says a bit of inspiration and self-love. She killed it with the packaging, like, seriously. It is a beaker. Oh my gosh. Y'all. Spiked bubbly. Are you serious? Rena! I'm like at a loss for words right now. This is just absolutely you killed it. And there is still something here, and this says style. And I think this is the last item. Not that it wasn't already enough, girl. Make sure I don't miss anything. She's got some pretty squigglies in here. Girl, you packaged this amazing. Yeah. Okay. So let's see what we have here. This is a palette. It's the Desert Oasis. It says BH Cosmetics. You guys, look at how gorgeous. It has a very nice mirror. And I see lots of shades in there that are champagne-y and like rose gold. So gorgeous. Like that's not just an eyeshadow, that's like highlights too. Oh my goodness, Rena. You hit the nail on the head. You did such an amazing job. Like, girl, you spoiled me. This is such an amazing box. And you stuck with the theme, I mean, to a T. So we have the gorgeous palette, the 111 Skin Rose Gold Radiance Booster. Oh my gosh, I just can't. The Unwind by Hask, the champagne-inspired hair highlighting styling cream. The beaker bottle. Oh my gosh. This gorgeous set of eye brushes. We had the Tatcha Stella, the hand cream. With the Bite Beauty. With the champagne-looking e.l.f. Plumping Gloss. And the Revolution, the foil shadow, and the little primer. Oh my goodness, Rena, thank you so very much. I absolutely love every single item. It is just, you spoiled me, and this is definitely like Christmas all over again. So guys, Rena is actually the one that came up with this collab, so her channel obviously will be linked down below along with the other 7 ladies, because there were, again, a total of 9 of us. So check out all the videos, subscribe to them if you haven't already. I promise you'll enjoy every single one of them. But definitely head over, check out Rena's video, and check out Desi. She is the one that I sent a box to, and again, her color was pink. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.